Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a new Lamborghini Countach. Yeah, so today we got this new Lamborghini. Also, if you're noticing, I got this new hoodie. So yeah guys, if you want to know where I got this shirt, I've got it from one of my uncle's friend, Mokhtar. So he has a printing company. Like if you want him to print any shirt, like you can print anything. Like you want a picture of a dog, boom, he'll do it. Anything you want. So I got even t-shirts, I got hoodies. So yeah, I'll just he'll ship it anywhere. Like if you live in a different country, he'll ship it. So yeah, if you want to know where you can get these types of shirts and print something, just go in the link in the description down below. Just tell him what you want, he'll print it, and yeah. Bye. And also, not bye, but also Maisto, if you're watching this, thank you. But yeah, let's continue the video. So let's take a look. We got the new Lamborghini Countach, so let's take a look at this car. Take a quick little spin. First, let's open it now. Oh my god, that looks nice. Okay, that looks nice. Oh my god. Look at that thing. First, we gotta cut these things off. Gotta get the scissors. Sorry, I got the scissors. Let's snip everything off very carefully. I get really okay. Let's take that out. So look at that. It's beautiful. It needs a little bit dusting, but it's okay. Okay, this is the hardest part. I gotta try to not scratch the car. There we go. Boom, guys. Here is a Lamborghini Countach. It's called the Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. So here is this lovely casting. I really like the car. It has a very nice pearl kind of white. It's really shiny too. A little bit dusty, but still pretty cool. It also has the little windows on the back where you can see the engine. So we gotta pop the hood. Now, how do we pop the hood here? Is it a way? Okay, how do we open the hood? It's a little bit more difficult. But yeah, here we go. That is, wow. Look at that engine. I think that's a V12 in there. Let me go check. V18. What the hell? I can't really see it properly, but I can tell it is there's a pretty cool engine there. Look at all the bars going around the engine. See the golden paint on the engine. That is really nice. So yeah, let's take a, oh no, hold on. Oh, I thought the windshield was cracked. I thought there was a crack. I need to clean that later. Oh, is that I'm confused. Oh, that's a crack. That's okay, guys. It's just one little crack. Oh, I forgot to take this thing off. Oh my god. I gotta rip this off somehow. I can't pick it up, yeah. Boo, I didn't even see that one. So now the car is all set. So let's take a better look at the car now. Let's close that. So let's take a look at the hood. What's inside the hood? There's nothing. We have some trunk space in there. Look at that. Nothing really in there. So after we got the tiny hood. Look how small the hood is. It's really small. It also has the Lamborghini logo on the car too. The face of the car looks pretty cool. I like the little bumper on the front. Pretty nice, made out of carbon fiber. But let's take a look at the doors. Oh, they go up, both of them. So if you take a look, they got wings, And the inside of the car has a red interior, which I really like. Has a little more carbon fiber inside, and also a little bit of a white lining in the inside of the car. So also let's take a look at the gears and stuff. Is that gears? Look at that. Everything is painted in there. Hold up, that is detailed. Even everything on the screen too. My god, look at that. It even has a little sunroof on top of the car. A little sunroof. That is pretty cool. It also says Countach here. Hold on. Yeah, it says the name of the car, the Countach in carbon fiber. Look at that. And also on both sides of the car. Countach. Wheels, all wheels move. Okay. And also what's cool is that look, see this wheel? If I move this wheel, right? I'm gonna move it. And look, every wheel separately moves. It's not just on one piece of metal. It's like, hold up. Yeah, they're all each a piece of metal. Hold up. Now it's time for my favorite part. Oh, hold up. One thing before this. Hold up. It's got little like gas pedals. See the little pedals in there? That's pretty cool. Okay, the moment. Truth we've been waiting for. Well, it's kind of wobbly. Hold up. Let me just kind of get my fingers in there. Yeah, it's my favorite thing about these cars. Okay, if I go this way, it doesn't really turn that good. Oh, because like, it's stuck here. Okay, I got it. But still, it works. So yeah, guys, let's close the doors. Oh wait, not yet. We have to open. Let's open everything first. Pop the hood. Pop the doors. Pop the hood. So yeah, guys. This is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Did a little review on the Lamborghini Countach LPI 400. I won't remember that name, but still, guys, end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe to my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, and the link in the description too. And also subscribe to this channel if you want, if you really like the video. So yeah, bye. By the way, if you want to print a shirt, then go in the description too. Want to subscribe to my gaming channel? Go down. So, yeah. Bye-bye. I'm gone.